Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Today we're going to continue our search series in the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and we're going to learn how to use the filter in all collections. Alright, so let's go to the top right hand corner and click on my little search magnifying glass, and we're going to search in again for the word faith. Now, when I search for the word faith, you can see that the default, like we learned last time in the search in, we looked at what that filter was. But I've got 46,996 results in the EGW collections. But what if I want to filter this out to just the book collection? Well, you'll notice that this icon here, this little filter shape cone there, this is on the search in line. So it's the middle one. Click on that little filter cone and it opens up to all the list of what the predefined EGW collections is. Now, if I want to empty out all of the check marks, what you need to do is you click on the top there to select it so it's all selected in English. Tap again to empty the circles with their pre-selections, and then just tap in the books collection. Now, when I click apply at the bottom, my results will update, and now I have 11,865 times that Ellen White uses in the books collection the word faith. Let's click back on the filter cone here again, and let's say we want to go down to one of the commentaries. So say we want to see in the SDA Bible Commentary, Volume 1, and then I click Apply. And you will notice here in Ellen White's comments in the Bible Commentary, Volume 6, that there are 74 comments. So you can go through here to the different collections and you can collapse and expand the collections. And, I'll collapse and expand this, and then we can come down to, say, the reference or the Adventist Pioneer Library. I might want to look up, let's look up here in the topical index. So I'm going to click in topical index and then click apply. And then my results are updated to only search within the topical index for the word faith. So this is the great benefit of the filter collections that you find within the EGW Writings 2 app. It enables you to search within the collection that you wish to search in. I hope this little tip has helped you today to be able to refine your searches even more than what you were able to before by looking for the search in and then the filter search collection icon. Until next time, go with God and be blessed.